Ever wondered what makes sparrows so special? In the next few seconds, you'll learn fascinating facts about these little birds. First question, why do sparrows chirp so much? They communicate with each other to establish territory and attract mates. Second question, how long do sparrows live? Most sparrows live up to 3 years in the wild, but some can reach up to 5 years. Final question, do sparrows migrate? Yes, some sparrows migrate to warmer regions during winter. Like what you see? Subscribe for more exciting stories and life lessons.